This paprika chicken takes no time to cook. So within 20 to 30 minutes, your chicken is going to be ready to serve for your family or for your guests. It needs very basic and minimal ingredients. And the best part is you don't need an oven to cook the chicken. All you need is your stove top, which is going to be so easy peasy. We are going to start off by marinating our chicken to add in some flavor. And you'll need 1 kg of chicken thighs and drumsticks. Also, you're going to need some paprika, garlic powder. We have onion powder, black pepper, and white pepper. Some garlic, coriander, lemon, olive oil, and salt. The recipe is super easy. So, into our bowl, we are going to be adding in our spices. And you're going to find all the spices listed in the description box in the right quantity. Salt. Squeeze in juice of half a lemon, that is a teaspoon or 2. Add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Go in and massage in all the lovely warm spices into the chicken. Make sure you coat both sides of the chicken with the marinade, and if it's not changing color, it's not well seasoned. Just look how gorgeous the chicken is looking. It's covered with all the nice spices, and we have a reddish color from the paprika, which is the key ingredient. So now, once you're done, you're going to let the chicken sit for at least 30 minutes before cooking. And if you have time, you can let the chicken marinate while covered in the fridge overnight. 30 minutes later, my chicken is well marinated and it's time to cook. So you're going to place a pan over medium flame. Then you're going to add in a tablespoon of more olive oil. Then you're going to wait for the pan to get super hot. That is going to take around a minute. When the oil is ready, you're going to place the chicken skin side down. And I'm going to be searing in batches. Sear your chicken for around a minute. And as you can see, we have a very nice crust on the chicken skin, which is super crispy. Sear for another minute, and I'm going to be switching up my chicken into a pot because I realized that the pan is very small for my 1 kg of chicken. So I'm going to finish searing the first batch, then we're going to switch to the pot. Pick a plate, transfer in the chicken. Just look how gorgeous it's looking. Then I'm going to pick my pot, transfer in the oil. Add in my next round. After a minute, you're going to check on your chicken. Flip so that the other side can sear. And after around 2 minutes, this is how my chicken is looking. As you can see, we have that perfect sear. The chicken is smelling amazing while searing. Let me tell you, the chicken is just, yeah, you'll be salivating while the chicken is searing. So once I'm done, because the chicken is not cooked on the inside, what we have done is just adding in a nice color or a nice crust on the chicken, and the inside is still raw. We are going to be fully cooking the chicken. So I'm going to transfer the rest of the chicken back in the pot together with the chicken juices. Then I'm going to add in 1 cup of water or 1.5 cups of water. Add in my garlic. This is around 5 cloves of garlic. Then I'm going to cover the chicken and simmer over medium-low flame for around 10 minutes so that the chicken can cook on the inside. This is how my chicken is looking after 20 minutes, and it's looking so beautiful. All the nice gravy that is caught in the chicken, it's well seasoned, and it has that perfect color which we're looking for. So this is a very nice way to prepare your paprika chicken on your stove top in a matter of minutes. So good. I'm going to garnish with coriander. The lemon that we added has brought out all the flavors in the chicken. So I'm going to stir and put out the flames. Wow, I can't wait to dig in. Add in a little bit more coriander. You can't get enough of coriander, but if you're not a fan, you can add in some parsley. Once your chicken is ready, you're going to serve on a platter for your family or for your guests. Beautifully presented, cooked with very minimal spices and ingredients, this paprika chicken has turned out so awesome. Just look at this. It's looking incredible. We have a very nice thick gravy which you can enjoy with some rice or mashed potatoes, and it's perfect whenever you have some guests over because it's a 20 to 30 minutes recipe. So I hope you'll be giving this recipe a try, and it's going to be absolutely delicious as